Yo, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to play infiniminer in 2025 or whatever year you're watching this. Because if you go to play it now, it just won't let you because it's a multiplayer only game and it was only popular for about like a couple months in 2009. But before I tell you, play this at your own risk because if you check Virus Total, it does flag it up as having some Trojans. Not sure whether it's a false positive, but just advising you, just be careful if you're gonna play this. So what you want to do is you can download it from Sonic or you can download it from this forum, which if you feel more comfortable I'd recommend downloading it from Sonic. It's a lot more reputable, but it's still kind of sketchy, but I just downloaded it from both and they both flag it up as having a Trojan in it. But so what you want to do, you want to click the link here, which will automatically download it. Then you want to click the link here, which will bring you to a Microsoft page. Because if you don't download this, it just won't open. So you want to download this. So once you're in, you want to go to where the folder is. Like I just sent it to my games folder. And what you want to do, you want to click where you want to open the game first. Let me show you that there's no servers at all. And then what you want to do, you want to just click infiniminer server, which what this will do, it'll host a LAN server, so it'll just host over your Wi-Fi. Then you want to bring your infiniminer back up, then refresh it, then it'll show your LAN server, and yeah, here it is. Not sure why you'd want to play this, but I guess it's kind of fun. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later maybe. Bye.